In the ever-evolving world of digital finance, quantum AI is making waves. Tailored for Canadian investors, it seamlessly blends automation with access to major markets including crypto, Forex, and traditional stocks. Quantum AI isn't just another trading platform. It's an ecosystem designed to help users manage investments across various asset classes, from cryptocurrencies to global equities, all through the power of artificial intelligence. At the heart of quantum AI is an adaptive AI engine processing thousands of market signals per second. It uses real-time sentiment analysis and historical pattern recognition to provide accurate data-driven insights. The platform integrates seamlessly with major global brokers, offering real-time pricing and ultra-fast execution speeds. This makes it a valuable resource for Canadian traders seeking to diversify their portfolios. Many users report returns exceeding 200% in short timeframes. Quantum AI attributes this to its AI's dynamic risk management and ability to adjust strategies based on market behavior. Security is a cornerstone of quantum AI, featuring bank-level encryption and identity verification. It aligns with Canadian compliance standards, ensuring a secure trading environment for all users. As finance and technology converge, quantum AI exemplifies the future of automated investment services. Whether monitoring trends or executing trades, it evolves with the digital economy. Ready to explore the future of digital finance? Dive into quantum AI today and experience the blend of technology and investment firsthand. Your journey into smarter trading starts now.